If you want to know how to turn those large files into zip file, then this video is for you. The steps are as simple as this. So you have a new folder on your computer. This new folder may have multiple folders with different documents, right? So all you need to do is highlight those folders, highlight the entire thing. Then you're going to right click and go to show more options. Once you have done that, you're going to go to send to, and you will see compressed zipped folders. Once you have clicked on that, then you are good to go. Let me just repeat that quickly. You're going to highlight each and every folder, go to show more, then send it to, and compress zip folder. After completing that process, you will see your zip folder. All you have to do is rename it to your liking. For this document, I renamed it Doc 1 to 5, and so I double click to save. Once you have done that, you can double click again to open so you can see your folders. And this is as simple as it gets. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.